YouTube channel. I'm Evelyn. On this video today, I'm going to show you how to advertise on Amazon KDP on automatic campaign. Go to campaigns, automatic campaign, and manual campaign. So I just launched my new book yesterday. So I'm going to advertise now. I'm going to advertise paperback. Mostly I go for paperback because you know what, ebook has a small amount, because that book is only 99 cents. So after Amazon take its shares, I'm going to take only 35 cents. So I cannot advertise that. That one I will give it to my subscribers because I've got more than 7 subscribers. I will write them the email. So now I'm advertising. I go and sign in to Amazon KDP. I'm already signed in. So I go to marketing here. I'm going to show how to do this the right way, because you know what? If you do it the wrong way, the book won't sell. So I go to Amazon Ads here. I'm going to choose which place. I'm choosing com because it's in US. Then go to Amazon Ads. I'm going to show you how to do this. If you haven't read the book, please start, because you will do the good money there. You will start as the hired side hustle, but at the end, it's going to be your full-time job, because every month you'll get paid. After selling your books, the royalties will go straight to your bank. So it is a nice part. It's more than you know what? I wouldn't say it's more than a lifetime, because even if you're gone, you're dead, people left here, they will still get the royalties from these books. So now let's go to, you wait for it to complete this. Yeah. I'm going to create a campaign. These are my campaigns, guys. These are my campaigns, as you can see. They say summer mating 8 orders and then spent only 48. Then the clicks were 156. But I'm not concerned. I'm going to this great campaign. I'm creating a new campaign, on automatic campaign. So you better watch out, because if you give the wrong, or if you do it the wrong way, your book's on sale, but it will charge you more money. And I'm sure you don't need it. So you go to choose your campaign type. We've got the sponsored product, as you can see here. Sponsored brands, then video, and audio ads. But I go to sponsored product. The first one, always go to this one. Is the easiest way if you're a beginner. Then I click the create campaign, waiting for it to open for me so I can show you. Then we've got ad formats, custom text, the standard ad. It goes to standard ads. Always go to standard ad. Choose the option to advertise your product without custom text. Right. Then we're under ad group settings. Let it open so I can show you clearly. Yeah, on ad group, I just deleted this because I'm going to put my new ad group there. Now I'm searching for, these are my hosts. I'm searching for that book I want to advertise here. This new book, this one, right? So I'm going to paperback. I just click add here. It comes automatically here. So I want to get this name right. I highlight this. Right click, copy, and put it where it's written at group name. Then I write the dash because I have to specify each as a number because the ebook, the hardcover, and the paperback have different as in numbers. So I am differentiating it now by as a number. I right click, copy it. I must right click. Okay. Right click, paste it here. Then also say auto what? Close. Because it got automatic close, automatic loose, and so on. You'll see them. I also highlight this, right click, copy, and paste it down where it's written the campaign name. Is very important, that one, because I'm running lots of campaigns, so I have to know which campaign name, which campaign is that one. Then I paste it here. Then here is suggested 350. Okay, I can still go for 350 per day as the daily budget. It starts here. I don't put the end date because I will need this to go on and on. Let's go up again. See? Then here is automatic. It's saying 75. I don't need this 75 cents. It's too high. I rather go for 20. Then set bids by target group. You click here because I don't need to put all the close match, loose match, substitutes, and complements in one thing. So now I have to turn this one to 20 express key because if I leave them as 75, sometimes they go back and put themselves 75 and I said it should watch because we have to do this the right way. Then you deactivate these ones. Then you just leave the close match. And you go down here on the campaign bidding strategy. It's very important to understand this one. If you say now go do what's up and down, you are saying Amazon do whatever you want with my money. So I'll go for fixed because it's for the first time. I want to see which campaign is going to work well. On this placement, I'm going to leave them as 0.000% because I must have the data first. So now, if I want to choose which countries also to advertise, I just click here on the countries, but I leave them for now. Then I say launch campaign. My campaign is launched. If I go to lose campaign, substitute, complement, I'm also going to do the same process. I hope you enjoy. If you have the questions, please comment on the section, but on the section there, on the section box there, you can comment and ask questions there. So let's meet again next time. Let's make money. Subscribe, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I upload new videos. And buy my new book, Borrowed Hearts. Is a tragic romance of forbidden love and secrets. Welcome.